Alright, so you know how leaks sometimes feel like leftovers? Well, this one's got a bit more spice. Igor Bogdanov just dropped some new images of the upcoming DJI Osmo 360 kits, and while we're still waiting on any fresh specs, yeah, still no sensor size confirmation, the renders actually give us a closer look at what's really in the box. So here's what we're working with. There are two versions, a standard kit and something that definitely looks like a creator combo. The standard kit, it's your basic starter pack. You've got the camera itself, a black rubbery lens protector that looks like something you'd lose in the first week, one battery, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a microfiber cloth because fingerprints happen, and a little carrying pouch with Osmo stamped on the front. Now, if you've noticed those silver contacts on the bottom of the camera, they're almost certainly electrical connectors, not just standard tripod mounts. This design points to a modular approach, something we've seen in a lot of modern action and 360 cameras. These connectors are made to work with smart accessories like external battery grips, powered mounts, or even microphone adapters. Through these pins, the camera can handle power pass-through, data transfer, and possibly even accessory control or audio input. In short, they're there to boost the camera's versatility and make it compatible with a whole ecosystem of add-ons. But then comes the creator combo. This one's clearly aimed at people who plan to shoot more than their cat on the kitchen counter. It's got everything from the standard kit plus 2 extra batteries, so 3 total, a multi-battery charging hub, an extension rod for those selfie or action shots, and what appears to be a magnetic mount with cold shoe adapter. Basically, DJI is telling you, we know you've got a tripod, a helmet, a suction cup, or something crazy, we got you. One interesting bit, that two-prong mount you see in the creator combo image, it's the same type of mount DJI uses on its action cameras, you know, the one with the 2 prongs and the hole in the middle for a screw to lock everything in place, that thing. It hints at a magnetic quick release setup for the Osmo 360, meaning you just snap it on and go. Super convenient, and if this mount's what we think it is, it opens the door to a ton of compatibility with your old mounts. Helmet straps, chest rigs, car mounts, you name it. Also spotted a rectangular black charging case that looks a lot like the multifunctional battery case from the Osmo Action series. That one charged multiple batteries and worked as a power bank. So yeah, signs are pointing to something similar here, which would be super handy for creators on the move. Now I know what you're really waiting for, sensor size. Is it 1 inch? Is it 1/1.3 inch? Honestly, based on what we've seen so far, that 1/1.3 inch option keeps popping up the most. But hey, nothing's official yet, so we're just sitting tight with our fingers crossed. Anyway, if you've been keeping up with the Osmo 360 saga, most of this might sound familiar, but these images do help paint a clearer picture of what we're getting. And hey, if you spot something new that I missed, let me know in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Peace.